Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off a shortcut for double pressing side button to turn on a camera. Right now we have shortcut for our camera. If we press this side button 2 times in a quick succession, 1, 2, 1, 2, our camera will turn on. How to change it? How to turn off this function? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for advanced features, then side key, and here we have our double press function. So to turn it off entirely, you just need to uncheck this option, and now we can press side key however times we want, and it won't activate. We have our lock screen only. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.